Hi, welcome to Occupied by Fashion. My name is Selena and here I review, unbox, and talk all things luxury. And today's going to be all about the Gucci Brixton Loafers. I recently got the Jordaan Loafers, so I like them. So I wanted to buy the Brixtons because I heard they were similar and I wanted an all black pair. My Jordans are canvas and they're brown red. So yep, let's get into it. I'm going to tell you why I bought them, what I think of them, show you how I would style them, and then see if I like them as much as the Jordaan loafers. So yeah, let's get into it. So I got these from Selfridges for a really great price. I think it was like $580 US, and typically they retail for like around 800. I actually have the receipt. So yeah, so a really good price. Yep, so like I said it before, but I say it all the time. I highly recommend Selfridges. Just when you look, you have to be smart about the time, but yeah, they have really good prices on a lot of things. So of course, Gucci comes with 2 dust bags. These are perfect for traveling. Move those out the way, and then here are the loafers. I got the black pair, and I really like. I did try them on already. When I first came, I couldn't wait, and I'm so confused about the sizing. So I prefer Gucci shoes in men's sizes, and my Jordans are a size 8, so I got these in a size 8 as well, and I feel like I could have sized a half size down. Mind you, I am a US women's true size 10, so we'll have to see. I don't know what I'm gonna do about it. I think I should size down, but I don't know. They're not tight at all, but they're not super loose, but they're loose enough to where I feel like I could go a size down, half a size down. So yeah, they are completely leather, and the bottom is soled, which I really like that. These ones feel buttery soft. So they do have the Princetons, and I did want those, but I feel like because of my job scope, these were a little bit better. But nevertheless, if I do size down, I probably would just get the Princetons. But these are amazing, like super nice. This feels so soft. Now, I personally wouldn't recommend getting these resold, only because if you do that, you lose your warranty. You can always pay Gucci to resole them for you. But they say made in Italy and Gucci on the inside. The heel height is probably like half an inch. And the crazy thing about the Brixton is that the back does fold down. So you kind of get that Princeton feel, but the look is completely different. Let me take out the other ones. And I will try these on. But yeah, so here's, oh, wrong way. So here's the shoe. The tip of the Gucci shoes are very pointy. Like I said, my feet are big. They do make my feet look a little bigger, but I don't mind because I do have big feet. So I feel like if you have big feet, you might not like the look of these. I'll show you guys when I try them on. But they do make your feet look a tad bit bigger. Whether that's a pro or con, it depends on your personal style and how you view yourself and how you like your shoes to fit and look. I personally don't mind. I accepted the fact that I have big feet, so I mean, I deal with it. But these are so classy. Now I'm gonna show you one of the Jordans compared to one of these. So like I said, with the Jordaan loafer, this is canvas, and so I think that plays a huge part about how it fits. But these fit super snug, and it is a size 8, like I said. It is also a size 8, and this fits loose. So the sizing, there you have it. I don't believe it's true to size. I have wide feet. Well, I think I have wide feet. So, I mean, I don't know. It's your personal preference. I would just highly suggest trying them on or going based off your Gucci size. If you have a canvas shoe, then I would say get your true to size. If it's going to be leather, I would say go half a size down. And then if you get the Princetons, I would probably say a full size up because the back is out and that is leather. So you want to have that room there. But that's about the Gucci shoe, loafer, mules, whatever. Back to the Brixton loafers. So you have your famous horse bit, which I think is really pretty. I'm a gold person. I prefer yellow gold in particular, so this will match my jewelry very well. Now I will say that this horse bit is noisy, no doubt about it. You're not creeping around the office, you're not creeping around anybody because you can hear them. I don't know if it's just the ones that I have, but the Jordans are also a bit noisy as well. So that's that. And yeah, there we have it. This is the shoe. Why am I showing you like this? This is the shoe. So let me show you my outfit. I'll pair it on with these and show you how I like it and show you how it fits on my shoe, how it fits on my feet. So let's get into that. Alrighty, so there we have it. You've seen what the shoes look like on my feet. You've seen the outfit I would style it with. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. See you next week. Bye.